Welcome to Peaceful Pause. Let's start our meditation by finding a comfortable seating position. Either sitting on a cushion or on a chair. Sit up straight and tall, with your spine erected. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes softly and begin to bring your awareness to your breath. Allow yourself to observe to see if your breath is long or short, fast or slow, without any judgment. Simply observe. Begin to deepen your breath. Start inhaling slowly through the nose. And exhale fully through your mouth. With every inhale, feel the expansion of the body as the air fills the lungs. With each exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your body. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Simply observing the inhales and exhales without trying to control them. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. As you continue to breathe, become aware of the rise and fall of your chest, or the expansion and contraction of your abdomen with each breath. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath flowing naturally. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in calmness and peace, filling your body with a sense of tranquility. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any stress or tension you may be holding on to, allowing it to dissolve away with your exhalation. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Notice any thoughts or distractions that arise without judgment. And then gently let them go as you return your focus to the sensation of breathing. This mindfulness practice strengthens your ability to stay in the present. Now, bring your attention to the sensation of air entering and exiting your nostrils. Feel the coolness of the breath as you inhale, and the warmth as you exhale. Stay with this sensation, allowing it to anchor you to the present moment. As you continue to breathe, see if you can deepen your awareness of the breath, noticing any subtle movements or sensations that arise with each inhale and exhale. Perhaps the gentle expansion of your lungs, or the subtle movement of your diaphragm. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in the experience of breathing. If you notice any areas of tension or discomfort in your body, imagine sending your breath to those areas, allowing them to soften and relax with each exhale. Feel a sense of ease and spaciousness spreading throughout your body. Before closing the meditation, take a few moments to express gratitude for the simple act of breathing. Recognize the gift of each breath and the vitality it brings to your life. Take a final deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale fully, letting go of any remaining tension or stress. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return your awareness to the present moment. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calmness with you as you continue with your day. Namaste.